Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to walk you through how to log in Roblox account with backup codes. Actually it's very easy and quick, but you need to watch this video until the end so you won't skip any important steps. So if you have two-step verification enabled in your Roblox account and you want to log in your account but you can't receive a message to your email address or to your mobile phone, so actually you can enter your login account with backup code. So first of all, you need to open your Roblox application, and then in this interface you need to enter your username and your password. Then click on the sign in. After that you need to wait a little bit. Then you will see this interface and you need to enter your 6-digit code. So, but if you can't receive a message on your email, you need to click on the use another verification method. Here it is, and then click on the second option, backup code. After that you need to enter one of 10 your 9-digit codes. So I will use, for example, the first one code. I will copy it, then go to Roblox application and then enter this 9-digit code, and then click on the verify button. So, and after that, as you can see, I have logged in my Roblox account using backup code. So after that you can click on the settings, go to settings, and then turn off two-step verification or change these settings. So, and that's all, and that's how to log in Roblox account with backup codes. If you found this video useful, leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.